Welcome to the BMO SmartFolio Review Usage Experience. Links to BMO SmartFolio are provided in the description below. BMO SmartFolio is a robo-advisor offered by BMO, one of Canada's leading banks. It's designed for Canadian investors seeking a simple, low-cost, and professional way to manage their investments without the need for constant hands-on involvement. With SmartFolio, you get access to a diversified portfolio tailored to your goals and risk tolerance, managed by BMO's team of professional portfolio managers. This platform is ideal for individuals looking to grow their wealth, save for retirement, or achieve other long-term financial objectives. One of SmartFolio's standout features is its personalized approach. After completing a simple online questionnaire about your financial goals, investment horizon, and risk appetite, the platform assigns you a professionally designed portfolio. These portfolios are made up of low-cost ETFs, exchange-traded funds, across various asset classes, ensuring broad diversification to minimize risk. BMO's portfolio managers handle all rebalancing and adjustments, keeping your investments aligned with market conditions and your personal strategy. The fee structure is straightforward and competitive, starting at 0.7% annually for accounts under $100,000, with fees dropping as your balance grows. This makes it a cost-effective alternative to traditional financial advisors while still providing professional oversight. There's a minimum investment requirement of $1,000, which is accessible for many investors, whether you're just starting out or already have some experience. BMO SmartFolio also offers a user-friendly platform with an intuitive dashboard that allows you to track your portfolio performance, view account activity, and check progress toward your financial goals. The platform also provides insights and reports from BMO's investment team, keeping you informed without overwhelming you with unnecessary complexity. BMO SmartFolio is best suited for Canadians seeking a trusted, reliable robo-advisor backed by a well-established institution. It's perfect for individuals who value professional management but prefer a hands-off approach. If you're ready to simplify your investing journey, check out the links in the description and get started with BMO SmartFolio today.